In this video, we'll show you how to use the RVsecure 4G Wi-Fi dongle with your PlatinumX Genesis. The dongle is used when your caravan, motorhome or boat does not have onboard Wi-Fi, Starlink, or another internet connection. It provides internet access for Genesis using a standard 4G data-only SIM. First, insert your micro SIM face down until it is fully in position, then slide the cover forward to lock it in place. For initial setup, power the dongle from a permanent USB source, such as a USB outlet or computer, before connecting it to the alarm. Now connect Genesis to the dongle using the normal RVS Connect process. Open RVS Connect, press Configure Wi-Fi, and select the UFI network from the list. Enter the dongle Wi-Fi password, your alert email, first name, polling interval and language, then press Save. Once setup is complete, the dongle can be connected to the Genesis USB using the adapter cable. Genesis will control the power to the dongle, only turning it on when needed. Genesis can now use the dongle for notifications, app alerts, and GPS location updates when required. That's it, your PlatinumX Genesis can now stay connected using the RVsecure 4G Wi-Fi dongle.